Danish leaders have sent private messages to President-elect Donald Trump's team in recent days in a bid to pacify his ambitions for taking over Greenland, according to a new report. Copenhagen is allegedly open to allowing U.S. military presence on the autonomous island to boost security and appease Trump, who claimed military coercion could be deployed to bring Greenland under U.S. rule, sources familiar with the talks told Axios. The Danish government, which is responsible for Greenland's defense, wants to avoid clashing with the U.S. and hopes to assure Trump that Greenland will be safe from Russia and China without the need for American annexation, the sources added. Copenhagen has also asked Trump's team to clarify the incoming president's comments after he shocked the world by suggesting that the U.S. could invade the long-standing NATO ally. One European diplomat told Axios that Denmark was widely seen as America's closest ally in the European Union, and that no one could have imagined it'd be the first with which Trump would pick a fight. Greenland had been a colony of Denmark since the 18th century and became a self-governing Danish territory in 1953. In 2009, the island won the right to secure independence if its inhabitants ever voted to do so, something that Greenland's Prime Minister Mette Ege supports. Ege, however, does not support the annexation of Greenland by the U.S. At a press conference Friday in Denmark, Ege said he was open to discuss Greenland's future with Trump, but warned that his people had no interest in becoming Americans. "We are ready to talk," he said. "Cooperation is about dialogue. Cooperation means that you will work towards solutions." The U.S. already has a military base on Greenland and has had a defense agreement in place since 1951, which would make it easy to increase American troops on the island. Greenland's strategic importance has increased exponentially in recent years, with icebound Arctic waterways melting and world powers scrambling for new real estate between the United States and Russia. At times, the territory and its surrounding waters are rich in critical minerals and natural resources.
Om selvstændighed, ønsket om at være her i eget hus, at der nok forstå det for alle folk, der er i verden. Og den kamp fra Grønlands side har jo aldrig været nyt. Det er ikke lige sket i går. Det er ikke sket, da jeg holdt nytårstalen. Men tingene har udviklet sig den vej i rigtig, rigtig mange år. I hvert fald i mange årtier. Vi vil ikke være danskere. Vi vil ikke være amerikanere. Vi vil selvfølgelig være grønlændere. Og selvfølgelig er det den grønlandske folk, som bestemmer deres fremtid.
Har du været i kontakt med Donald Trump, den kommende amerikanske præsident?
Nej, men vi er klar til at snakke sammen. Jeg tror, vi begge to er klar til at øge dialogen og række ud, og dermed også snakke om de ting, der samler os i den verden.